Hi guys, it's Marius from Pickup Media, and today I'm going to show you how to photograph a beautiful 2.25 carat engagement ring using the GemLightbox, using both a smartphone and a DSLR camera. So this is a lovely 2.25 carat VVS1 G colored GIA certified diamond inside a 18 karat gold prong setting. To use the GemLightbox, simply open the camera, and as you can see, automatically we're getting a nice white background. Really good color in the diamond and nice gold color in the settings. So after you take the photograph, you can press save, and that saves to the GemLightbox gallery. Down here we have our video setting, so we'll switch to the video mode. All we have to do is press record, and that's going to spin around, give us a lovely 360-degree video. So this is really good. When you're using the smartphone, the photo and videos are capable for the website, social media like Instagram, Facebook. You can put this on your eBay, Amazon, or you can send it directly to your clients. So after the photo and video are taken, just save it, and you can find them in the gallery down here. So if you wanted to send this to a client, for example, or upload to Instagram, all you have to do is press select, click on this video, and you can share that automatically. So down here you have all your various applications. I think I'm going to go with Instagram today. So let's write our caption, 2.25 carat oval ring, and then you would include your various hashtags, press OK, and we're going to share that straight to Instagram. Easy as that. And that's done. Also, I'm going to show you how to take a photograph with a beautiful mirrorless camera. So over here, we'll just turn our camera on. We've got our camera timer set as 2 seconds. To take the photograph, this is just in automatic. We're just gonna click on the shutter, and then we'll preview on that one. In a matter of seconds, we have this beautiful photograph. The reason why you want to use a DSLR camera or a digital camera is if you need to print this out on a larger item like a banner, poster, you want to get that high resolution image. Otherwise, as seen with the smartphone, all of your photographs are going to be for online content suitable when taken with the smartphone. So these are what the results look like. So thank you for everyone for watching. I'm glad that you can tune in today to see how you can take beautiful photos and videos using a smartphone and a digital camera. Any questions, just comment below. Subscribe and like this video, and tune in for our next video. Thank you.